Hi, I'm Amy Garrett-Dickers. I'm a faculty member in the Educational Leadership Department, and I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about Hallmark Project 3 for the Master's in School Administration program. The Hallmark Project 3 is called School Community Relations, Communication, and Engagement Plan. So first you need to think about what that actually is. You are truly creating a plan for engaging in school and community relations and communication. Now this class is typically, this Hallmark is typically situated in the EDL 514 class, which is School Improvement, Innovation, and Change. And a large part of that class is around technology and how to purposefully use technological resources to help us do things in schools more effectively and more efficiently. So the expectation is that in your school community relations, communication, and engagement plan, you will be talking about technological resources that will help you do this. So that's just something to think about, a little bit of background around the plan itself. The plan asks you to do 3 written components. The first is an overview of a specific school and a target area to be addressed. So you look at a school, a real school improvement plan, and look and see what their target areas are. And you're going to talk about that. And you're going to talk about it just in general, just so you get a sense of what this is. Because the readers of your Hallmark project aren't going to see that school improvement plan. They're going to know your context based on what you're telling us in that first section of the paper. Then you're going to include a 2 to 3 page description of the school improvement plan, and then you're going to take that target area and align it with how you're going to create the community engagement plan. That's really what you're doing. Is you're talking about how you're going to engage with the community and work out a communication plan, a relations plan, an engagement plan, whatever the case may be, for addressing that targeted area. And what are you going to use to help you do that? So are you going to, for example, with technologies, are you going to think about a blog? Is it something that needs wider dissemination in the community? Do you need videos to help your stakeholders understand the issue? Do you need to use some technologies to connect members of your community with the content needs that you have in the class? Whatever the case may be. And that is really how you move into the final part of your written paper, is that detailed explanation of what innovative practices that you're going to be using. So you have to find a school improvement plan, identify an area in that school improvement plan that can be connected and aligned with community engagement and relations. So you're very likely not going to find a school improvement plan that has as a target area school community relations. Instead, you're looking at those targeted areas about assessment, about measurement, about growth in a certain content area, whatever the case may be, but you're going to develop a plan. It's the second part of the paper, and align that with the needs for the schools. And then in the third part, the final 2 pages, you're going to talk about what innovative resources you're going to use to make it happen. So hopefully that helps you get a better sense for what exactly the Hallmark Project 3 is really designed to do.